In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change or edit channel name in Slack. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. So the first thing you need to do is to go and log into your Slack workspace and then head over to channels. From the channels, choose the channel that you want to change or edit its name. For my case, I want to edit this first channel. Now here, right click on it and then choose view channel details. So if you click on this, you'll get to this tab and the first option is channel name. Go ahead and click on edit, and from here you'll be able to change any details of this channel. For instance, I want to change from All Crescent Labs to All Crescent Teams, like that. Once you're done, go ahead and click on save change, and this will go ahead and then reflect on your channel. Now you can see, if I go to my channels, you can see the name of the channel has been edited and changed to channel teams. So that's how you can change your channel name in Slack. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.